Centuries ago, scientists and scholars learned medicine from books. Today, we use Sketchy Medical. In a world where dinosaurs roam your lecture halls, medical education is evolving. Welcome to the future.
Why learn pediatrics from a 200-slide PowerPoint when you could absorb a thorough but efficient soap note while exploring a hidden temple to master WILMS tumor, sliding the megaloop to unblock PUV, and slam-dunking Osgood Schlatter in Basketball 2.0? Get pumped for
Sketchy Peds!
Do you want to learn surgery from a sleep-deprived attending with a very sharp knife? Or do you want to pick up some key clinical tips while learning about hemorrhage from blood pool, penetrating trauma from Zora, and post-op fever from this guitar guy?
Spitting hot fire.
Start preheating your brain for
Sketchy Surgery.
Since Imhotep first put reed to papyrus, medicine has been passed down through words. Now, learn it through pictures, all organized to help you remember the details when your attending is pummeling you with questions. You'll see a clown riding a hyponatremic elephant, a school of hypertensive scuba divers, and Marilyn Monroe's EKG. Prepare to be electrified by
Sketchy IM.
And now, for the first time in recorded history, enhance your learning with the power of
The Bundle.
Together, these 3 courses will help you vanquish your shelf exams and slay Step 2 without having to worry about which course to buy when.
The future is now.
Yo, are we announcing the new...
Not yet. It's not going to be ready in time for launch.
Yeah, but it's coming soon, so shouldn't we mention it?
I guess. Just think of some clever way to bring it up after you talk about the important stuff like ped, surgeon, IM.
You got it, boss.